Hey everybody! If you want to set up auto moderation on your Discord mobile and you are looking at how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. Start by going to Discord for that. Access your application of Discord on your mobile device, and once you access it up, you can access your settings. So you can look out for your server settings. Usually look out for your server settings. So go to your server, one of the servers. For example, this is the server I would like to go on, and you can look out for your name at the top and access your server settings right there. Once you access your server settings, you can look out for the option for safety type or security. Or even if not that, you can look out for the section for moderation, usually on your mobile device. After you go to moderation here, you will be finding verification level and sensitive content section filters. So what we need to do is once you go to moderation section, you can just go over and look out for auto mode, or sometimes it is level something else. You can just go over and set it up to low, if you want to set it up, or even set it to high and highest. And if you do so, you must have a verified phone number, or you must also be a member. So you need to have each of these things verified, so that you will be getting the moderation you are looking for, and that should automatically enable it once you complete that up. If not that, you can look out for sensitive content filters as well. You can filter it out. You can filter the messages from all the members. You can even filter messages from server members without rules, and set up the auto moderation on your Discord mobile this way very easily. So you can follow the same process for all of the servers available. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.